Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. We are solving the CSIR NET mathematics problems. So, this is from our year 2024 June. So, the question is about linear algebra, and the question says that let V be a real vector space of 2 cross 2 matrices with entries in R. Okay. So let T be T from V to V denote the linear transformation defined by T of V that is equals to my AB. This is given for all B belongs to V. Our V is a real vector space of 2 cross 2 matrices with entries in R. Okay. So where our A is what? My A is 2001. And then we have to find what is, yeah, let me underline, what is the characteristic polynomial of T. So this is my part B question, as it is a single correct question. So what can be done here? As we know that for that case, if we take my BB X, Y, Z, W. Now if our, for this transformation, so if our B belongs to this, then we will get the answer for which matrix A we get this, and so we have to find this as characteristic polynomial, and the this matrix A is associated to the linear transformation T. So if we get the characteristic polynomial of A, then we will get the characteristic polynomial of T. That means the given linear transformation. Okay. So let us multiply with the help of that. So we will get now. Let me, yeah. So our AB is what? That will be my 2, 0, 0 and 1. And this thing is X, Y, Z and W. So that will be what? So that will be my 2x, and nothing will added to it. So this will be my 2y, and this is Z and W. So if we can write this in this form, so we will get what? We will get 2x, 2y, z and w. So how can we get that? By multiplying this, we have to multiply this. Yeah, 2, 2, 1 and 1. And rest of all the elements of this matrix will be 0. Then x, y, z, w. Then it's equals to this. Yeah. So 2x, 2y, 2 that will be my z and w. Okay. So we have to now find the characteristic polynomial of this thing. So it will work like a here. So the characteristic polynomial, I'm gonna write with the white color. So our characteristic polynomial of A will be what? So 2 and 2, and there is 1 1. So my x minus 1 square and x minus 2 square. Yeah, that is my CHA, and as A is associated to the transformation T, so that will be my characteristic polynomial of T also. So the correct answer of this question is my x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 whole square. I think that is in our, where is my cursor? Okay, so that is my our option C. This is the correct answer of the question. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you guys.